This is the drip molding before he puts on the painted one. Somebody tried hitting it with Plasti Dip at one point. It's just help. Nicely painted one. As nice as it can be right now.
Yeah,
a lot better than that though. A lot noticeable. Oh. Alright, Tyler, how do you take it off? Some people don't know how to take these off.
Regrettably take them off. Well, you got choices. You can start here, or you can start here. I'm going to start here. There is 2 plastic clips on this corner versus the 3 over here, and that's glued in really aggressive on this side. And getting it all pushed back in the channel is pretty fun. So I'm going to peel all this out, and then to get to the hardware on the bottom side, which you can see all the holes all through the bottom. It's a fun adventure, and I'll take you along with me. Okay. This little tool's a miracle worker. See? Just like so. There's one. The other one's buried on the inside. It is buried on the inside. There you are.
A lot of touch-ups just to look good for Cars and Coffee tomorrow.
I know. A lot of touch-ups. Alright, you gotta be careful. It is a little glued. Alright. Peel this back.
Yeah.
Alright. On this, you will see there's a hidden tab with this little guy chilling on the inside. So, you got this one that sticks out, and then you got this one that's hidden. And there. That's the one that's hidden. That's the one that's obvious. Alright. Time to softly strip this all the way back until we hit the corner. Right there will do. We don't want to go all the way out of that corner. The last screw is about right here, so you don't gotta go too far. And just pick a spot and start getting these little guys out. There's about a dozen of them.
A bunch of Phillips head.
Yeah, a bunch of these little guys. Very specific. Very. Alright. There's a lot, so have fun.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them. I wouldn't suggest using a any kind of electric tool on these.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of little plastic cushions that you gotta make sure you don't over torque and strip out.
I know when I've taken off drip moldings at the junkyard, these screws can let go, or
very easy.
Even with hand tools.
And don't drop them. If you drop them.
Sometimes they'll get water down in there and they'll get really rusted into the body depending on the car.
Yeah.
That's what I've ran into. And that's the best place to find better conditioned drip moldings is your local junkyard, because they're discontinued
completely.
And so it's usually best just to revitalize the ones you have.
Yeah, when you revitalize them, you'll realize they're not quite the same after.
I'll definitely probably have a video at some point on my channel on how I'm gonna take a shot at how on one way to make them look stock, other than just painting.
Yeah.
So I got a nice set I'm gonna throw on, and then I'll revitalize the set I take off.
Alright, there's all the screws right there. There's all of them. All of this is hanging out of there. Let's see how many there are.
Was that like 10?
11.
11, okay.
Oh, I said a dozen. I was close. Cheating baker's dozen. Alright.
Then it kind of slides out, doesn't it?
You can slide it. I usually try to break it away a little bit.
You kind of, I think I kind of slide it forward towards the front of the car a little bit.
They are glued in. Of course, this has been on the car for 20 years.
Yeah, if you have access to a heat
There it
gun,
goes.
that might help you a little bit.
There it goes. Little clippies. Little clippies like to fight. And then you got an inner piece and an outer piece. The one that we're playing with is the outer piece. And this is the glue I was talking about.
Yeah.
Right there. And then you take it, just get it right. There it goes.
Yeah, let's try not to get stabbed.
There it is. Now it's out. Dirt and all.
Doesn't look like there's any rust on that one though. That's pretty good.
Yeah, no
I
rust.
pulled off a few or they're just rusted on the inside.
Yeah.
Those could probably be redone too.
Yeah.
Brought back a little bit.
This one let go of the plastic clips that are on the inside. Yeah, there's one right there. Yeah, I let go of all the little plastic clippies that are on the bottom that hang out in there. This one's been dried out pretty bad. But if you look closely, you'll see what happens when you refurbish them. You lose this little top edge right here. This little 1/8 inch top edge. Yeah. When you clean them up, you'll lose that. But this inside always stays soft, so that's what I try my best to keep here. The outside always dries off and it creates all these crappy chip offs and everything else. Looks like crap.
White is crap right now.
How is it?
Yeah.
There we are. Just push it back into place. Look how much cleaner that looks. It's just, that's what's always drives me nuts.
Yeah, you lose.
That 1/8 inch.
Yeah, there's usually a bit of rubber that goes over this gap. There we go. And I'm thinking when I do urethane, I can recreate that lip.
Yeah, possibly. Let's see.
Yeah, a little bit